Hey kids, we teamed up with Super Clean again, and we're gonna clean that right here, live in Technicolor. Stick around. All right, so we had a little snafu with our last video that I did. Went to upload it, file got corrupted, all that. So I have to redo this one. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that transmission off. It's kind of sticking out in the middle of nowhere. Anyway, I'm gonna take it off, I'm gonna take it outside, and we're gonna clean that thing. Also, we are going to clean one of those. Not the gas can or the grill, one of the doors. So, let's talk about it. All right, so the awesome team over at Super Clean sent us some degreaser, right? It's also biodegradable, the spray. And the foam. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take these guys, we're gonna clean that thing, but first I gotta get it off of there. I gotta get it off of there, get it outside. You guys wanna watch? It's just 4 bolts. And a hammer probably. Yeah, let's do this thing. Hey, chat. Let's pick. Get. We're gonna try this guy. Hey, look, if it doesn't work, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over there, we're gonna get an impact and go. All right. Is this gonna work? I don't know. It would have been nicer if the other one would have the other video would have been not a jerk, right? Can you see the transmission? Yeah, that was, that's something, right? Oh, what? Oh, it's sitting down there, that's why. I'm like, why did I do that? Oh, hey. We're just gonna get a wrench. It's my wrench from Quinn. All right. Well, it's loosened up good. We're gonna get it out of there, set it down. What are the chances we're gonna get this off of here? I don't know. Oh, pretty good, I'd say. Yeah. Ooh, lots of good goop on there. All right, Super Clean. Let's get it done. It's 29 outside. Actually, it might be colder than that. So I got the heat on. Should have blew the dust out of it. I put it on a wheel dolly over there, so yeah. Do not make fun of the garage. I'm still in the middle cleaning it. We're gonna get it out here in the 400 below. I'm gonna get some water. Hey, it's snowing. I'm gonna get some water from the faucet over there. Probably at a bucket. And then after I clean it up, stick around. All right, we're gonna do this thing. Would you believe it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon? Yeah. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. Little goopy. Yeah. Let's see if we can get closer. Yeah, boom. I love doing that. All right, we're gonna. Look at that. It's melting it right off. Now we're going to let it sit for a little bit. Actually, you know what? Let's put some of the foam on there so it won't run off right away. Because it's sitting at an angle. Here we go. Now we'll let it sit for a bit. We'll come back and check on it. While we're waiting, yeah, that's Clyde. Just want to let you know, Super Clean is based right here in Minnesota. Love working with a very local company. I mean, I could drive there. It's cold though. I get heat steering wheel, so it's, you know, it's cool. It's actually quite cool outside. I'm not even sure how cold it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let that sit, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. I'm not gonna touch it, I'm not gonna scrub it, I'm not gonna do anything, and then I'm gonna dump water on it, and we're gonna see exactly how good Super Clean works. So, because I think we all know it's fantastic. It is, that says 13 minutes to 1. It's like 3 o'clock. All right, 5 minutes, set the timer. All right, it's been 5 minutes. You guys set the timer? I asked you to. Okay, let's take a peek. All right, there we go. Can't wait. So we're gonna drop the camera. Not really, but set it down. Hey, oh yeah, this camera stand is not happy about being out in the cold. Plus, it's junk anyway. No, this stuff is biodegradable, so I'm pretty glad about that. There we go. Yeah. Now, give her one more. Let's give her a little zhuzh in here. Yeah, this is really doing it. You guys saw how caked it was? Yeah, let's check it out. My gloves on. Look at how much better. That's just rust. I'd say did fantastic. What do you think? Put it down in the comments. Okay, we're in. Now, what do you guys think? I think it did fantastic. I don't know how long that grease has been on there, but I'll bet you it's more than 10 minutes. Show you again. That's Super Clean right there, kids. Look at that. Yep. If I'd have scrubbed right here, it would have come just flying off of there. But look at that. All that grease is gone. I did not scrub that. All right. Oh, hey, watch it. So here's what we learned. Super Clean, still amazing. Still amazing. So we're gonna put information down there, take you right to Super Clean's website, and as a matter of fact, right now, today, right now, we're gonna do a giveaway for some Super Clean. Here's what I need. If you have not won Super Clean from me before, you are eligible. If you've won, sorry, you have to not, you can't play right now. Maybe some other time. But anyway, so we're going to everyone who comments, Clyde is junk, down in the comments, is eligible to win. Clyde is junk. That's Clyde. Junk. Clyde is junk down in the comments. You'll be eligible to win. Has to be lower 48 states. Sorry, Canada and the Greek states. Anyway. Honest Paint and Speed Shop approved again, still, however you want to say it. Super clean is amazing. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. That was a live and in Technicolor in front of a studio audience test. So, till next time, comment Clyde is junk for your chance to win. Keep on wrenching.